Hello and welcome to my video, all about how to sew boxed corners. Boxing out is a technique that's used in all kinds of bags, purses and pouches, and it allows you to add a flat base, or even flat sides. Basically, it allows you to turn a 2D project into a 3D project. All of these pieces are the same size, and I'm just going to sew them to make two separate, very simple bags. All I've done is taken two pieces of fabric, placed them right sides together, and then sewn along three of the edges. This is obviously the most basic kind of bag or pouch that you can make. I'm now going to show you two different methods for adding a flat base to these bags. For method 1, you first need to line up the seam at the base of this bag with a side seam, like so. This should give you a triangular point with a seam running up the centre of each side. It helps to put a pin through the line of stitches at the front and at the back to make sure they stay aligned. Make sure the triangular point lies flat with no creases, and then use a ruler to find where the triangle measures 3 inches across. I'm choosing 3 inches because that's the width of base that I want the finished bag to have. Obviously, you can just choose whatever amount you want. Then use a disappearing or magic fabric pen to draw the 3-inch line straight across the triangle. If you now measure between this line and the point of the triangle, not including the seam allowance, it'll be half the length of the line. So in this case, 1.5 inches. Then sew along this line using a straight stitch, making sure to backstitch at the beginning and end. Then cut the excess fabric off at the corner, like so. I would recommend leaving at least 1/4 inch of fabric above the line of stitches. And as you can see, if you turn the bag right side out, the base of the bag is 3 inches wide. I'm now going to demonstrate method 2 on the other side of the bag. So you first need to take the width of the base that you want and divide it by 2. In my case, that's 1.5 inches. So I need to measure 1.5 inches from the 2 fabric edges in the corner and draw a square with a fabric pen. The measurement that you use will be half of what you want the width of the bag base to be. Then cut along this line and don't worry about cutting through the stitches. In my case, I now have a 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch square cut out of the corner. You now need to bring these cut edges together, as shown here, so that the seams line up in the centre. Push the seam allowance on one side to the left, and the seam allowance on the other side to the right. Then pin the edges together. Sew across this pinned edge with a straight stitch, making sure to backstitch at the beginning and the end. I used 1/4 inch seam allowance because the seam allowance I use for the side and base of the bag is also 1/4 inch, and they must be the same. And now you can see that the base on this side is 3 inches wide as well. I really hope you found that useful, and thank you very much for watching.